Good morning, class. Welcome back to our online class again. And today, as you know already, today is our monthly exam, right? So before we start our monthly exam, teacher want you to know clear how to complete our exam in here. The teacher will explain to you that regarding with our instruction and the rule of our exam. So right now, let's move on our exam altogether. So the first one, as you know already, the first page you need to complete your teacher name. Example, what is your teacher name? And after that, student name is your name. Level, that as you know already is our level 1. And that is the date of our exam that you need to write. June 25th, 2021. And brand. So which brand are you? You are ABI 1, ABI 2, ABI 3 or ABI 6, right? Okay, so you need to complete into this one. And actually if you have like a paper test, you can complete like that. But if you don't have, you need to write into your book, right? Okay, so as you can see in here, teacher name example, teacher name is teacher Kung Kia, student name is Emily, level 1, date June 25th, 2021, and brand ABI 1. And our exam assessment criteria, we have five that you need to do. The first one is we talk about listening, that you will get 20 marks. The second one is vocabulary, 20 marks, grammar 20, reading 20, and writing is 20. So total score is 100. And our exam rule is like you need to turn off your phone, like you cannot play anything. And one more thing is mean like no talking. It's mean like you cannot ask your brother or your sister. And one more thing is mean like no cheating or copying. It's mean like you cannot open your book, or you cannot open anything that related with our taste, that you need to write like a copy, right? And one more thing is mean like you cannot disturb other. So when you have a time that start the exam, you cannot chat in the group like to bother your friend, right? So you need to be quiet and do your exam, right? So noted. One more thing, you need to use like a blue pen, right, to complete it. And right now, let's move to our exam. So the first session, you can see in here that you need to complete in here that we have A and B. So A, you need to listen to complete the conversation. Like example, you hear that how is the weather, so you need to complete like that. And B, you need to listen, complete the chant below. So you need to complete by our exercise in here, that you need to listen also, right? So teacher will provide you the listening track, and you need to listen carefully that what does or what are they talking about, right? Okay, so now let's move to our next one is talk about vocabulary section. That A, you need to look at the picture and write the correct word that you can see in here that I give the example for you. And the second one, you need to create your own sentence using the word below. So example, teacher have the word apple. So I need to create that word to the sentence that I like to eat apple, right? And section 3 is talk about grammar, that you need to read, correct, and rewrite. So in that sentence is not correct, right? So you need to arrange that one to the correct one. Example, a banana on is the plate. So we need to arrange that one to the correct one is a banana is on the plate, right? Okay, and now let's move to the next one. You need to read match the correct answer. So in here they have question and answer, but you need to match the answer into the column in here. The teacher put it for you already. You just write only the correct letter. Example number 1, you match to letter A. You need to write the letter A in here. And the next one is talk about reading. So our reading, you can see in here we have two reading. That the first one is my house and the second one is a trip to the beach. So you need to read the story and complete the sentence, and another one you need to read and answer the question. So before you do this one, you need to read carefully about our story, and after that you need to complete your answer. And the last one is talk about writing. The teacher provide you the topic that you need to choose one of the topic and write in paragraph. So here is our instruction or the way how to do your monthly exam, right? And right now it's time for your exam, but before we practice, you need to look at this one first. So do by our telegram, right? So you need to send your answer to your teacher personal, right? You cannot send it into the group. And one more thing now, it's time. Are you ready for exam, everyone? Good. So right now let's start, and teacher will provide you the exam right now. So good luck and try your best to do it.